Welcome back for a new video of ArcMap Basics tutorial series. Today we will see how we can create different data showcasing maps like Choropleth map, dot density, proportional symbols map and pie bar charts on map. So let's start. Here I have created an Excel sheet for forest cover data of India. This data is taken from FSI 2021 report. Here we have columns with state and union territory name, geographical area, very dense, moderate dense, open forest type in square kilometer and their percentage. I have saved this file in .csv format. Next, I have added India state and UT shapefile and CSV file in ArcMap. Right click on shapefile and join the CSV file with it. You can see all data are joined with shapefile. Now let's create different types of map. Right click on shapefile and select properties. In properties, go to symbology. If you want to color every state differently, then go to categories and select unique values. Select name column and change the color ramp. Click on add all values and OK. For Choropleth mapping, go to symbology and select graduated colors from quantities. Select total forest percentage or any column. You can also change the class numbers from here. Right click on labels and set the precision 3. Change the color and click OK. Like graduated color, you can also make graduated symbols, proportional symbols and dot density maps. To create charts on map, go to shapefile properties and then symbology. Select pie chart from charts. Select those columns you want to show by chart. If you want to change the size and properties of pie chart, click here to change. From properties, you can set 3D view for the chart. like pie chart. You can also show bar and stacked bar chart on map. Now you can create different types of data showcasing maps. We will try to make some maps with Indian data and upload them on our social media. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe and leave some valuable comments for us. See you in the next video.